Here's how to check if your TV is set to warm or cool color temperature. So the first thing that you need to do is to edit your picture mode first. So you can edit it to dynamic, standard, natural, or movie option. Afterwards, you can go ahead and select a picture size. So you can use a 16:9 standard or you can custom the aspect ratio of the appearance of your television. The next thing that you're going to do is that you can go ahead and select the expert settings. Once you're already on the expert settings, this is where you can go ahead and edit the backlight, brightness, contrast, sharpness, and the color of the television. Here, you are going to see if your television is using a warm or cool color temperature under the color tone settings. So now it's up to you if this is a warm or cool TV.